up, guys? It's your boy Tony.
It's your boy Mate.
And we're AJV, we're Audio Joins Video. Today we're doing an unboxing of
the FV18.
Big boy subwoofer from Rythmik.
Yep, shout out to Shane who did the F18.
Yep.
On Monday.
F18 sealed. Today we're doing the ported version.
Yeah.
Let's grab the knife and let's get this guy open. God, get that thing away from me. Now this is, I'm 5'9". I think he's about the same. This is a fairly big box here. Total weight with the box is 180 pounds. Subwoofer alone is 160. So it's a pretty big subwoofer here.
And 20 pounds of cardboard weight.
Yeah, it's a heavy box right here.
I mean, the box came in immaculate too. No dings, no dats, nothing.
Got it freighted from like what, Texas?
Yep.
This is insane.
Got to support local U.S. companies.
Alright, let's pop this open here. Now they double box this. They got the instructions right on here. It's almost like this isn't our first time doing it. There. Double box.
There's the
So you got some installation guide here that literally tells you what to do if you're playing The Edge of Tomorrow. Kind of like that.
Kind of like they tested it before.
There's also a white glove that usually comes with this. But we're not seeing it. I see it anywhere. Get this stuff out of here. So these two little boxes, what comes with it is going to be a power cable and then 4 rubber feet for the subwoofer, which is definitely going to be a must, especially with the size of this thing.
Yep.
All right, let's lower this thing out.
Which one do we got to take out first?
We're going to do this sideways. Right?
Sideways. We got to take out.
This is the front, so.
Yep. Got to take this one out. These are skateboards, so you could actually slide it.
This thing is so big that you have to literally tip the box over to get it out. Alright, so we got this side still in here. Everything else is loose.
Alright, ready?
We're going to pan out real quick, and then we're going to lower this down. Gently. And that's the money shot right there. Let's pull it back real quick. This is so heavy.
Just the box alone.
Alright. Double box for extra protection. This thing is insane. Alright.
Alright.
Let's pull it back a little bit more. Alright, and now we're just
gonna push. Push, I pull.
Oh my god. This thing is. It's literally like the weight of a fridge. Gonna move this box out of here momentarily. Oh my god. Make sure you have enough room to get rid of the boxes. And then that's the top. Oh, this is the top. Where's the... Okay, so this is the bottom right here. So let's get the feet on this. Alright. Let's pull it back here real quick.
Comes with rubber feet. You can order carpet spikes if you like. But since we're on half carpet and half wood floors, I'm going to do all rubber feet. Yeah, these rubber feet are sticky.
Oh my god. Whoa. Speed run this bad boy. This is what the white glove looks like for cleaning the driver for future use. It's a nice little touch that they have there.
And we're gonna be hooking this up to the Anthem AVM70.
Gonna do some testing immediately afterwards. We're gonna have fun with this. This is gonna be a doozy. All right. Let's tip this guy up. Slippery. We're supposed to lift this up. It's so heavy. I can't get like a thing to do that. All right, 3, 2, 1. There you go.
Let's take that cover off.
Man,
Look at that thing.
I mean, this thing's. You can't even tell like how heavy it is just by looking at it, but you get the.
Well, let's move it
How you
back a
get
little
this
bit
off?
so we can get that driver in the picture.
How are you getting this off? Oh, there we go. Money shot. So there's the extra ports that they have, the plugs.
I requested those. It usually only comes with 1 port plug, but I want to do some experimenting with it. So they gave me 2 extra port plugs.
You have a very solid frame, fairly see-through, which is good. It's not going to be obnoxious. Put that off to the side. And we also went with the aluminum cones.
Aluminum is better for home theater. The paper cone is better for music.
Yeah.
Is that
This one's going to be able to push a lot harder.
Yeah.
It's really going to like hit you in the chest.
That's
So just from the front, you got these 3 ports. I mean, these are like 4-inch ports, if not bigger, right?
4-inch.
Yeah. 18-inch driver.
Yep.
And then if we can try showing you the back of this.
Hold on.
This literally makes the paradigms look so small.
And those are big speakers.
I think they're the 3Fs you said. Boom. So then you got your amp plate right there. Tons of controls actually. We're going to go into that in more depth for the review.
Different controls. You could tailor the sound any way you like. Only thing that sucks, it doesn't have apps, so you would always have to go in the back of the sub to adjust those controls.
You definitely will need more than one person to move these things.
So invite a friend over, give them beer or whatever their drink of choice is.
And you'll also... They fit in the back of a truck. If you have 2 of them, you're picking them up from UPS. They do fit in the back of a pickup truck.
I could testify to that.
It's a long bed, right?
No, 5-foot bed.
A 5-foot bed, yeah. So they're easily, if you have a truck, you can do that. If not, you can have them delivered right to the house. But that's like the quick, dirty unboxing of the Rythmik FV18.
Yep, 18-inch driver to push all that low frequency through.
It's going to be a long night, you guys. We're going to have some fun with this. But thank you to you guys, the subscribers, and anybody else who watches. Thank you for giving us likes and comments and subscribing.
Appreciate it.
This is what helps us keep going, and we look forward to sharing more stuff to you. As always, this is AJV.
Where audio joins video.
Have a nice night.